Hi, I'm Naomi from Immanuel Tours, and today we're going to be talking about what shoes to bring while you are in Israel. While you are in Israel, you are going to be doing lots and lots of walking. So bring comfortable walking shoes with high traction. The stone paths are very, very slippery, so the more traction that you have on your shoes, the less chance that you have of slipping and falling. You're going to do a lot of walking, whether it be on gravel or stairs or stone paths or concrete. So just having a nice pair of shoes that you feel comfortable walking in is very, very important. Number 2 is sandals. It is very hot during the day in Israel, and so sometimes when you have a day that you're not walking as much, I highly recommend wearing sandals to give your feet a break. When you go into the Dead Sea, I recommend you bring a pair of sandals that you no longer want or need, that you don't mind getting dirty. The reason for that is sometimes the gravel inside the Dead Sea might be a little pokey, and so you don't want to cut your feet in salt water while you are in the Dead Sea. So bring some sandals so that you can walk in the Dead Sea without being in pain. Number 3 are nice dress shoes. You might be in a situation where you are attending a formal dinner or a nice event, or even going to a religious ceremony or something along those lines. So I recommend you bring a pair of dress shoes as well that you can wear in those formal occasions. That's it for this video, and I'll see you next time.